Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to update your information with Wells Fargo. Now there are a couple of ways to do this. The first is the online updates. How you want to do this is to log into your Wells Fargo's online banking account, and then you want to click on the account service tab, and then just select the update contact information options. And now you got to enter the updated information. That could be address, phone number, or it could be a new email address, and then just review and confirm the updates. Now for doing updates on the mobile app, of course what you want to do is to access the Wells Fargo's mobile app on your device, and then of course log into your account. And once you're logged in, you want to choose the account service option, and then select the update contact option. And now you got to enter the updated information: phone number, email address, house address and all, and then just review and confirm the updates. Now for phone updates, how you're going to do this is to dial Wells Fargo's customer service at the numbers right there on the screen. That's available 24/7, and all you just got to do is to share your contact information to verify your identity, and then you need to ask the representative to update your information. And of course you got to share the updated information with the representative, and they're going to help you to sort the rest out. Now for mail updates, what you want to do is to write a letter requesting to update your information, and you got to include your account information, such as your name, your account number and stuff. And then you got to provide the updated information that you want to have changed. That could be address, it could be phone number, or it could be email address. And then just mail the letter to the address listed on your statement or on Wells Fargo's website, and they're going to help you to update your information. So here are a couple of types of updates that you can do. Of course, you can have address updates, so you can update your mailing address or billing address. You can also update your phone number, or you can add a new phone number if you want. You could also update your email address, or you could just add a new email address if you want. You could also update your name due to changes from marriage or divorce, or if you have any other reason why your name has changed. You can do that right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to update your information with Wells Fargo. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.